Hello everybody, and welcome to my guide on how to install the required software for the Intro Programming to Java class with Tatiana Volk. First, what we need to do is figure out what we need to install. So go ahead and log on to DTOL, click on your Introduction to Programming in Java, Materials, Content, Administrative Items on the left-hand panel, and then Required Software. You'll see in the required software, our end goal is to install the IDE, which we'll be using, which will allow us to create the programs that we will be doing in the class. We'll be using JCreator. JCreator requires two other additional bits of software. It will require the JDK7, the Java Development Kit, and the Java SE7 documentation. To get that going, go ahead and click on this link right here. The link, for whatever reason, doesn't work. You can kind of look at the top here and see that it just, for whatever reason, puts in a dot and a slash. So go ahead and delete those three and hit enter. You'll be brought back to the Oracle website, which you can now download. So go ahead and scroll down a little bit to where you see JDK. Click download. It'll bring you to the Java SE Development Kit 7 downloads, where you can download pretty much everything here. You're going to want to just use the first one, Java SE Development Kit 7 Update 51, accept the license agreement there, and then depending on which version of operating system you're running, probably be Windows x64 if you're running a 64-bit version of Windows, or an x86, which would be a 32-bit version of Windows. If you don't know how to find that out, you go to Start, right-click Computer, go to Properties. You'll see here that the system type here will be 64-bit operating system, and then times 64. If it's 32-bit, it'll be 32-bit operating systems times 86. So if you have Windows 8 but you don't have a start menu, you can also get there by going to the top right where the charms are, clicking on Settings, PC Info. So once you figure out which version you need, go ahead and click on the corresponding link to the right. I've already downloaded it, save time, so go ahead and download it. Next thing you'll do is go back up here, click on Downloads again. We need to download that documentation now, so scroll down until you get to Additional Resources, and the Java SE7 documentation is what we'll need, so go ahead and download. Again, accept the license agreement. There's only one here that you need. It's under the Java SE Development Kit 7 Update 51 documentation. Go ahead and download this file here. It'll be a .zip that you need, so I've already downloaded that to save time. You also need one more item, so if you go back to D2L and to required software, you'll need to actually download the JCreator software as well. So once we get to their website, which is jcreator.org/download.html, you'll see 5 versions here. We're going to want under JCreator software, you'll see 3. You want JCreator Classics. That'll be the only free version. They're technically all free, but the first 2 will expire in 30 days and prompt for payment. Make sure it's selected on JCreator LE version 4.50. That's good for Vista, Windows 2000, and XP. It's also good for Windows 7 and 8. So go ahead and click download there. Type in your name, your email address, uncheck this box if you don't want spam. What it's going to do, it's going to email you a download link, so then hit submit. I've already done this, so then go to your email. See the new email you got. It'll give you a little welcome email saying that you can download the setup file from the following URL. Click on that email here. I've already downloaded it, save time. That'll bring you directly to the download link. So now you should have 3 newly found files. First, what I recommend you do is install the JDK. I've already installed it, but pretty much it automatically just installs, and then just hit close after it's done. The next thing you need to do is get the docs going. It's a zip file, so you need to know how to unzip. So what you want to do is go to My Computer, click on your C drive or whatever drive you installed your Java on, which would be C drive in most cases. Program files will be next. and then Java. You'll see you probably have a JRE 6 or 7 here. That's your Java that your computer needs to run Java applications. The JDK is what we're looking for, so find the JDK 1.7.0_51. If you have multiple JDKs here, after you're done with this, go ahead and go to your control panel and remove your programs and remove any older versions of the JDK. So go into 51. Now once you're here, typically you won't have this docs folder here. That's what we'll do. So open up the zip folder. You can either use I use WinRAR. If you just have the generic Windows zipping, it's pretty much the same way. You just grab this file here and drag it on over to there. It is a very large file filled full of many small documents, so if you're not graced or blessed with a solid state drive, then it'll probably take about 5-10 minutes to unzip the full thing. But so just drag it over here. Make sure you just drag it off into a blank space here, not into another folder. What will happen is it'll probably, at the end of the unzipping process, it'll ask you if you will give it permission to move there. And just give it permission, hit continue, and you'll be good to go. So your docs will be there. Now lastly, what we need to do is install the JCreator software itself. So go ahead and double click on that, click run. Next, accept. Next, it'll say that the folder you're trying to create does not exist, so go ahead and hit yes. Next, choose your preferences right there, and install. And go ahead and launch it. I, for whatever reason, couldn't find where the settings are for JCreator. I've already installed this once. What you'll see pop up will be a, let's see if I can just find it here, will be a kind of a little box. The first two are pretty straightforward. You just hit next and next. There'll be the last two. The first one will ask you, where is your JDK located at? So go ahead and click on Browse. When you click on Browse, you're going to get a little Windows Explorer box about this big. Open up Computer, open up your open up your C drive, then Program Files, Java, and then once you're in Java, you'll see your folders there. Just click on the JDK 1.7.0_51 and hit OK. And then it'll represent that in the little file text box there saying that you chose that. Hit next. The second file or folder it'll ask for is that docs folder, so same thing, hit browse, go on to your C drive, program files, Java, JDK 1.7.0_51. Inside that you'll see that docs folder that you just unzipped over. So you're going to click on that and then hit OK and then hit finish. And when you hit finish, this should pop up. And if you forgot from class, you go to File, New, Project, and then Basic Java Applet to get kind of back to where you are. So if you have any questions, comments, feel free to reply to me either in this YouTube link or the D2L discussion board. So, alright.